G'day, here's a parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, Australia. It's been wetted to help show the colours and the veins of material in the parent rock and in the rules in millimetres. I'll zoom in so you get a better look. Okay, I've zoomed in. Some of the pieces are basically thrown in because it is being sold as practice material, and sometimes you can just use some of the pieces that don't look very much to get the feel. A piece like that you could just slice and polish the way it is and use that as the feature. Again, with something like that. Although you might want to possibly chase that vein, but it's a bit wavy. I think you're better off to cut it off and use what you can see. This is an interesting piece. It's got some quite bright purpley blues in here. It runs through here, so take the triangle off the top and end up with a blue stone. Again, this piece, cut it off here probably. But before you start cutting, always look and see. There's always quite often little veins, and it's little veins that could hold the gems. So always look at the stone before you decide on which way to you're going to cut it. See, like that's got a nice green flash in the crystal there. Now, this doesn't look much, but it's got this very bright little bit of colour here. Whether it goes underneath that potch, don't know. Interesting pattern. Again, practice material. It just needs to be ground off the top there. See what's underneath. This bit's not worth much at all, I don't think, but still, you never know with some of these veins. It's worth having a look. And that's what you're buying it for, or what I'm selling it as is practice material basically. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.